Guys, just a quick one on the specificity. Obviously, a big thing we talk about in the mastermind is you becoming the next level version of yourself. I want you to understand the severity of the importance of specificity. The next level version of you will always, always, always be a version of you that is more specific in every area of your life. I'll give you a few different examples, and I want you to see how universal this is. Specificity in how detailed you are in the way that you dress, the way that you have your background, the way that your posture is, the way that you communicate, the way that you make sure your nails are clipped, the way that you get your hair done if you're a woman, or your hair done and your beard done if you're a guy. The difference between a low-level human being and a high-level human being is how detailed they are. They're specific and precise and accurate in every little thing. Okay, so that's one area. Second area is relationships. If you want better relationships in your life, a relationship's betterness is on how much connection you have with the person. If you want better relationships, you need more connection. To have more connection, you need to be more specific. When you ask a person in your life, a girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, children, whatever, friends, you ask them questions and you don't get to the specifics of their answers, you will have a very disparate connection with that person. You won't have a deep connection with them. You want better relationships in your life, you need to know precise details about their life, their experiences, their emotions, their feelings, what matters to them. And when they say what matters to me is being richer, and you say, oh, cool, we're connected, we both want to get richer, you won't have a deep and profound connection with that person because you don't actually know what richer means to them and what richer means to you. So you want to improve relationships in all areas of your life, you have to become a person that's more specific. And the final example I'm going to give you, and I hope you can see how this is across every fucking board. You want to manifest things in your life, guys? You have to be specific. You don't manifest by saying, I want a big house. You'll never get it. You manifest by saying, it has this many windows, it looks like this on the front, it looks like this on the back, it's this many floors, the bedrooms look like this, the lounge looks like this, the bathrooms look like this. So in every area of your life, to self-actualize, which I did the training on Wednesday, is why you're all here, you go from someone that's not specific in your life to someone that's very specific in all areas of your life. Personal hygiene, relationships, and manifesting. Become someone that's more specific and your life will improve in every single way. How many deals have you already lost this week that you could have closed but didn't because you were out of state? I'm not a fan of sales hacks, but if there was one thing you could do before your next sales call to raise your closing percentage, it's using my patented pre-call checklist. Imagine taking just 60 seconds to read 5 to 7 personalized bullet points on a piece of paper, and as unbelievable as it may sound, puts you into the optimal state to access your highest sales skills on every call. That's the pre-call checklist. I'm going to show you how to create your own. All you need is a piece of paper and to go through the training that I'm going to give you. Thousands of salespeople have used this framework to close more deals, and you can have your own for free. No strings attached in a matter of minutes. Click the link below this video, enter your email, and grab it right now.